So it's Friday mid-morning on another 858 fishing and camping trip, heading north of Perth and heading north of Perth, north of Wedge Island, hopefully to find ourselves a nice little camping area to throw a line in. And this little initiative going on these overnight camping trips was put together by a group of people that used to go to a gym in Inglewood called 858. Anyway, before I go any further, let me tell you a story about 858. Inglewood, a suburb 4 kilometres from the Perth CBD. It's where I, and along with about 6,000 others, also live. Fair to say Inglewood has a village-type atmosphere with a wide range of pubs, cafes and restaurants, with Beaufort Street running straight through the suburb. If you're wondering, Beaufort Street is 6 kilometres long, starts in Northbridge, runs through Highgate, Mount Lawley, Inglewood and ends in Bedford. It used to have a gym called 858, however, due to one reason or another, including the strains COVID put on many small businesses, it closed in late 2022. This gym had a community type environment that was built by its members and its owners. It was somewhere where you went to catch up with your mates, whether you worked out on the floor or you boxed upstairs. It was somewhere where we called our local. Anyways, that's how 858 fishing trips were born. Born by people that met and worked out at the 858 gym that is no more. These guys enjoy a laugh, camping and even fishing.
We lay on chairs broken with bottles of empty beer. We all sing and we wonder wide open. We're happy to have you here. And thinking of times when we're over, we're happy.
We still haven't found a place to stop. Looking, finding nothing.
My shoulder, and it's clear enough in my mind. Slow go, it'll take forever. We can wait just one more. 'Cause bad times don't fly, so I'm taking the happiness to stay. Fix my mistakes in the mirror. Maybe I've changed more than thought. 'Cause castles don't grow on themselves. You gotta help out, it's only the start. Slow go, it'll take forever. We can wait just one more. 'Cause bad times don't fly, so I'm taking the happiness to stay. Slow go, it'll take forever. We can wait just one more. 'Cause bad times don't fly, so I'm taking the happiness to stay.
set up and just an afternoon chilling out, and the boys are going to do a bit of fishing. I'm going to fish tomorrow, but you could rock up at worse places. This is a pretty cool place.
Staying at home, turn off the phone, I will listen to you. You lay in the sheets, you hold on to me like I'm already gone, and whisper your words like secrets written in an old moleskin. Look up above, the sunlight seems like it is gonna break in, and something ain't right. Yeah, something ain't right. Oh, something ain't right. Something ain't right. Straighten my shirt, wearing the skirt that my mother gave to you. I come up behind you and kiss on the side of your neck a few, and turn off the lights. The stars in the sky are turning so clear. Without the words, the feelings unheard can still be just as sincere. But something's not right.
Here's the thing, wasn't my fault. I was sitting here relaxing talking to Dave, and Harper went and caught a fish. Harper caught an awesome little tailor. How big is it, mate?
36, little greenback.
36, nice greenback. So Harper's going to do a little catch and cook. End of day one, afternoon one, time for a feed. And what we've got here is Simon, highly sponsored by, who's Simon? Yes, that's right, Camp Boss. Camp Boss. Simon's sponsored by Camp Boss, and it looks like we've got sausages. Oh, there's a new All for Adventure. Camp Boss. There it is. There it is. All for Adventure. We've got the sausages going. Chef Simon, we'll see what that turns out like. What are you doing tonight? So day two of wakes.
Hey?
We're all up. Simon's himself. Kettle's on. Boys are fishing. And waiting for Lloyd and Kev this morning. But it's a grey old gloomy day, but it's not raining, which is a good thing. Nice if we catch a few fish this morning.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down the boulevard at night, playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. And it doesn't even matter to me where I go, I just feel I need to take a ride. Got my coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the
Not much fishing going on. A lot of reminiscing. Simon sharing his war stories of how many times he got wiped out playing football. We're talking about maybe even sitting down on chairs to hear how many times he got run out of games. Funny man.
Doesn't even matter to me where I go. Just feel I need to take a ride. I don't know when I'll get back. Keep on going and relax tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair.
So a very event-less morning. It's almost lunchtime. I'm going back up to have a little flick and a little fish up on the little headland up here. No one's caught anything, but there's not a lot of fishing going on. There's a lot of chatting going on, but that's okay. It's a boys' weekend. The boys talking crap as they do. Yeah, so had a crack at putting my my fishing drone up, but the batteries aren't holding charge, so it only goes out 50 metres and turns around and comes back. But hopefully the Savo will give that another crack. But anywho, I'm going to go and flick a soft plastic on this little headland and see how we go. So feeling very privileged today. I'm fishing with young Harper, who's got his own YouTube channel called
Westside Fishing.
Westside Fishing, yeah baby! The catch cry is, you're a real legend.
Yeah.
Spelled R-E-E-L.
Now my wheels in motion and my
So Harper and I, we fished for about an hour solid. Caught nothing. Well, Harper caught a blowfish. I caught a couple of weed fish. I'm getting really good catching this weed fish. So we're done. We're going to navigate this nice little environment and go back to camp, because they're not doing much fishing either. They're just doing a lot of chatting, a lot of talking. It's okay, Harper, your mum won't see this video. Be as dangerous as you like. He's reckless. Okay. Don't be scared. Ready? Go! So now the old fella. So I think we go back and we meet the crew. So if I haven't mentioned it before, on this trip we've got Super Simon, the leader of 858 Fishing and Camping. We've got the prodigal son, Harper, who is Nigel's son, and of course we've got Nigel, who is a disciple of Super Simon. We've got Dave. Dave's a neighbour of Nigel and Harper's. We've got Kev, who's an ex-858 member, and also Lloyd, 858 member. So a few of us from the gym. Riley was supposed to join us, but he piped out at the last minute. So anyway, we'll go and get to know these guys and get the Savo. I might have mentioned there's a lot of talking goes on these little trips. Not a lot of fishing. So I'm going to count how many. Let's count how many rods are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 rods all in holders, not one bait in. That's why they call it fishing, not catching.
troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me.
So welcome to Camp 858. Big Wave Dave, Super Simon, Clever Kevin, Larry Lloyd, Nerdy Nigel, 9 rods in holders, not one bait in. Why aren't we catching any fish, you ask?
Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
So another 858 camping and fishing adventure comes to an end. All the boys packed up. Harper ready to drive out like a guru. Lloyd's defend's done. Big wave Dave. Nerdy Nigel.
Morning.
And morning.
Back up.
We're just about ready to pack up and drive out.
Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell. We're root for now.